Hey guys, this is Future Boy and welcome to our HTML tutorials part number I think 6. Okay, 6. Okay. In this tutorial I will teach you everything. I will teach you how to change a width and height of image. In previous video I will show you how to add a image in your website with HTML file. Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you how to change image height and width. Okay, so where is image? Now in previous video I will add a image. Okay, I am opening. Okay, see this is image. In previous video I will add in a website like this image. Okay, and I am writing Arduino blind class for blind people. Okay, so how I change this image a small and height is very small. Okay, so want to do this, then see full videos, and please man, please subscribe our channel. Okay, so let's go. Open Sublime Text Editor. Where is your file? In previous video I will teach all things, all code, what is a Sublime and how you do this. Okay, so you want to know all information, then please see all previous video, go to my channel and take a HTML tutorials. Okay, so firstly this is image file where I put in website blind.jpg. Okay, so how I change a height and width. Okay, so firstly like here you see this, I am taking a image source img src means source equal blind.png file. Okay, then there is semicolon. In after semicolon what you will do, you will take a space and type width width and equal to semicolon, and then what you will do, you will here type like width size. So I am taking a 150 pixel. Okay, like this 150 pixel, yeah, 150 would look that. Save it, control plus S, and now I will take it out. Okay, you see this, I will refresh it, and now it was width is 150. Now it is very small. Okay, now I will also change a height. I am some big 250, and height means you take a space and type HEIGHT height equal to semicolon, and then what you will do, you will take a height. I will take a height like 350. Okay, 350. Control plus S, save it, go on your website and F5 to refresh. You will see this, the image here, the image is 350 height and 250 is with it. Now with height is so I'm taking a 250 also. Now I will check it out. Now you see this, their height and width all are changed. Okay, so this method you will do, then your height and width of your image is changed. Like I am again repeat, like okay, here you see this, I am blank. Now you as a normal mode. Now what you will do, you will take here width. Okay, width equal to semicolon, and here you type your width size. So I am taking a 350, and now I will take a height, a space height equal to semicolon. Here you type a like 250. So control plus S, save it, and now F5 to refresh it. Now you see this, there is a size of images to like a small and change. Okay, so this method you will do, then your image size and width are changed, and there are many methods, but in coming video I will show you. But this is for beginners. Okay, so I hope guys you enjoy this tutorial, like this tutorial. Any problem in this tutorial, please comment us, we reply fast as possible. Okay, so guys please subscribe our channel for more tutorials, because incoming tutorials many things happening, like how to change a text color, how to change a background color of text, and many things. Okay, how to change this, you see this image, how you do this in round shape, how you do this in circle shape, many things in coming in upcoming videos. So please subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Any problem, please reply us, we reply, oh, sorry, please comment us, we reply fast as possible. Thanks for watching guys, have a nice day.